Hello everyone, in this short video I will show you how can you get your Wi-Fi password using command prompt in Windows. Firstly, you need to go to the search option, then type CMD on your keyboard. Simply right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Yes. Then we need to write this following command: net space WLAN space show space profile. Press enter. Here you can see these are all the Wi-Fi names which already saved on this computer. Let's see, we want to get the password of this network. So we need to type this command: net space WLAN space show space profile space name equal, using inverted comma. In our inverted comma, just write the Wi-Fi network name here. Space right key equal, again using inverted comma, write clear. Then press enter. Finally, we get our Wi-Fi password. Let's see, we want to get another Wi-Fi password. Second number. Again, write the previous command: net space WLAN space show space profile space name equal, inverted comma, just write down the Wi-Fi directory name. Inverted comma indent. Again right key equal, using inverted comma, write clear, inverted comma indent. Then press enter. Here you can see we get the second Wi-Fi password. In this shortcut way, we can get our forgotten Wi-Fi password. If it works on your command prompt, please subscribe my channel. Keep learning. Have a nice day.